everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my Tesla. And if you have a Tesla Model 3 or Y or whatever, you know there's this big cavernous hole deep inside the thing here. So I think this is some sort of box that's going to cover it. It says it is the XTAUTO center console parts ABS material. No, there it is. And I'm going to put a link to it in the description so you can pick one up yourselves if you're interested. Let's give it a try, see if it fits. And so you can see inside there, it's got a place for like coins and stuff. I wish it was kind of like felt or something on the bottom, so those things wouldn't jingle, but let's give it a try, see how it goes. Oh, that was simple. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the sweetest, so check it out. So I put this in here. I don't know, hopefully you can see it. So it just goes in like this, right? And you have that big hole in the bottom, and now I can put stuff in it that I can use. I think there were some coins here, but whatever, but then it slides, so you can still get to the underneath. Oops, close that up. And then you can just slide it back out to get to your stuff. I'll probably just leave it like that and put my coins and whatnot in there. And then there it is. Excellent. That goes down a little bit more. There we go. I'm gonna put a link to that in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see if I can do one video next time that's maybe more than a minute long. But that was the review, so there it is. I like it, thumbs up from me. Links in the description, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and bye.